So for my perfect work makeup, I usually like to use my Heimish rose eye patches because these make my skin underneath my eyes really smooth and soft and hydrated for the rest of the day. So I love that. Then I apply my concealer, the Born This Way concealer, because it has a great medium to full coverage, and you need that definitely in the morning. And it also sets a little bit, but it's not super drying, so I love that as well. And after that, I apply my foundation mix in a way because I'm mixing it with my moisturizer, the moisturizer that I'm using that day. And this was filmed actually 2 weeks ago, so I was using the Klair's moisturizer, so I decided to mix the two together. And because I mix it with my moisturizer, it makes the foundation not as high coverage as it naturally is, and also it looks a bit more natural on the face, like kind of like a BB cream with a bit more coverage, and that's perfect. And then I set my T-zone with my Mercier setting powder, just to lock in that foundation. Then I will use my Mochi Pact from 16 brand. This has a lovely cream to powder texture, and you don't need a lot of product because it just blends like a dream and looks extremely natural. It's not super ashy, it's not super orangey, so it's a perfect combination. And I just apply a little bit to define my cheeks, and also I like to apply it on my eyelids to have more definition because I will not use eyeshadow, so I feel like this looks extremely natural. Then I'm using the spoolie to brush up my eyebrows because these are a mess, but I'm growing them out. So yeah, my butter blush from Physicians Formula in Plum Rose. This is amazing. It's my favorite, like, natural kind of looking blush, and I really like all the Physicians Formula butter products. I think they have just a great formula, blends like a dream, love it. Physicians Formula boosting eyeliner to make my eyelash area a bit more thicker and blacker. I always like to do this when I'm using only mascara and not false lashes. And then my Archery brow pen from Soap and Glory to add some definition to the brows, like to draw little hair-like strokes. And of course my Ico eyebrow gel. This is the tinted one. And then I will move on to my eyelashes. I will curl them, and then I'll apply my Nars Climax mascara. And I'm usually doing 2 coats of this one, so my lashes are really black, really full looking, so I love that. And here I have 2 choices. Sometimes I like to use my MAC for lipstick because it looks extremely natural, it's beautiful, it lasts all day. Of course I reapply it, but I mean the color is so natural that it doesn't matter if you eat it a little bit. But I decided to use the gloss here, the one from Too Faced, because this looks absolutely stunning and I love to wear this from time to time. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed my very quick perfect work makeup. I will see you in my next one. Take care and bye.